So guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, come to gigabyte.com. This is official website, gigabyte.com. Okay, then you can see here the win search key. So click and then type your model number of motherboard X670E AORUS XTREME and then hit enter. Then click to product. And click to this model number of name. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is you using. Then driver. So first one, click to download and open this downloaded folder and double click and then yes, and then close it.